Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about an article I read in the Observer, and I have to cover these people. Now, you remember I actually did a cover, covered this story, but at the time it was just headlines. There was no real details, and it was about a 1-year-old who ended up getting injured. Right, they got a little girl got shot and injured, and there was another man who ended up losing his life as well. The name of that man is Andon Robinson. Now, people, this story sounds like something out of some kind of, some twisted, them old time show, the way you think to yourself, boy, the director really did want to put in a little twisted part to catch the audience. But of course, this is no twisted story, this is no Hollywood movie, this is real life, and this is Jamaica. See, over there, or down there in downtown Kingston, West Street to be exact, see, the people them have been getting threats left, right and center, because according to the residents, there is currently some issue between Tivoli Garden and Pink Lane, right? To be honest, West Kingston in general is kind of pulled apart, as you know, since Dodos gets anyway. All of the little lane them and the little era them who used to be under one leadership, them kind of break up now into different little factions, and the man not take no chat, and for the people them who did have old beef for settle, and now them are settle it. So the whole West Kingston in general kind of pulled apart. But the residents are saying, these residents are saying that the two main parties that are responsible for this thing of one, or the friction that caused this, is Tivoli Garden and Pink Lane. Now, apparently they were getting threats left, right and center. Say, anybody them catch from the community, I will get wet up. Anybody. And the men them decide, say, them are going to carry out those threats. People. The man them pull up on bicycle. Right? The residents were saying, because they were getting threats, they were prepared for a car. They were prepared for a yang. So everybody was looking out for a vehicle, because obviously that is normally the mode of transportation when you have to pull out something like this. Not these men, not these 87s. So the people them say 2 87s rode up on a bicycle and passed by them, right? And then circle back and just start spray off beer wild shot, right? Then them spot the man, 43-year-old Andon Robinson, run him down, right? They have a barrage around, and as you know, they have no accuracy, right? So they take them 1 million rounds to take down one smaddy, right? But in the process of spraying off them bag of shot, the little girl end up get caught in the crossfire, and the little girl end up pick up her own. Now the man where them take out, the residents are saying that he was one of them, local man who wash a car for you and did them little thing. They described him as a handyman. And they're saying the only reason he was standing at that spot is because Theme House don't have a restroom. So there's like a communal restroom in the area where anybody can go there, right? So him go there, and just wrong place, wrong time, the man then buck him up, run him down, right? And he's no longer here. And in the process of letting off them bag of wild shot, the 1-year-old get caught in night. Now people, it get even sadder, because the doctors are saying that the round end up lodged in a little girl's spine, and now our left foot can't move. So unless there's some kind of miracle, this little girl that end up get crippled. For what? For what? People, when you realize how quick things can change in Jamaica, in the blink of an eye, you go from having a 1-year-old baby where healthy, bouncing, make them nice, want them feeding and all of that, to a 1-year-old baby who can't move their foot because 87 spray off wild rounds and it catch them in the spine. People, I want to realize what really are going on at the place. And remember, they were giving constant warnings. They were giving constant warnings, which mean that the security forces must have heard about those warnings. Them know which for one side of the man them there and the next side. But Obviously, the man them can study the movements of the security forces. First of all, they don't have enough. The little post down at West Kingston, the amount of man them are down there, and I'm talking security forces, is not big enough to cover that whole vicinity. Right? It's not big enough. And even when time them have state of emergency and all them things there, the man them can still figure out where to go on and get around it because the posts are stationary and them can just move through them little lane and them corner. And listen, people, it's very difficult for really lock down West Kingston because them have some place where a man is running a lane right there so and take a right turn. And when you run him down and make the same right turn, you can't see him gone. It look like him disappear under the earth or something. That's how West Kingston set up. Right? So to be fair to the security forces, it's very difficult to pin down what go on. Right? But people, the community and the members in the community are saying them can't believe what go on and them say, oh, them vex and all of that. But the fact that the man them pull up on a bicycle, right, and ride past and then ride come back again, that means that everybody say I would do it. Everybody say I would do it. How fast can you move on a bicycle when nobody can see you? Right? And even if them face mask off, the community is so small, within 10-15 minutes, word come back at who. Right? Word come back at who. Now I'm going to give you a quote right here from one of the residents. It says, and I quote, "Boy, then just run down the man and come shoot him, and the little baby get shot too. God mercy make him move off because all the way out there attack. And then never fire a shot from him barn, and the boy them kill him. And then park here and know about nothing want go on. All the baby upper, and then they blank out the name. I says that the man shot me. That's all she up there say. So the baby is old enough to can talk, right? Which I'm guessing is probably a 1 year old, close to 2 year old then, right? But because the baby basically attack and the baby I say, the man shot me. How much countries you know where it's normal if you have 1 year old out of them already? How many speak to everybody in every country on planet Earth and ask them, oh hey, come here, how often do you hear 1 year olds in your country that can say the words, the man shot me? Or even can process what that mean? That the little baby there from around West Kingston has already processed and know what it means if you get shot. Because she would have probably heard the word shot 100 times. So the word register in her head. That little baby there sit down on West Kingston and hear big people talk and use them words on a regular basis because it happen around there on a regular basis. This is what Jamaican children have to deal with. This is what Jamaican children are raised amongst, right? No childhood completely taken away from them, right? What kind of 1 year old should have to deal with something like this? 1 year old, no people. That I'm a matter of fact, that's still picking up on breast. Utter those words. Something that most people from certain parts of the world never have to utter in their entire adult life. We have 1 year old that talk about it. And as I said, the man them go up on bicycle. People, I have to show you how comfortable bicycle, you know. See, so the man them don't even want a car, then they even need a bike. Roll up on the bicycle and roll out back again. Bicycle. That is now a means for 87s to turn up and commit so much carnage. Right? And that also shows you that they're close by. Right? So it's not like an outer town man do it, you know, because if you come from outer town, then you're going to need a car or you're going to need a bike because you need some serious speed. But because these are neighbors in conflict, these are neighbors in the people. People will probably see each other from them a picnic till now, you know. People will probably go to the same school, probably go to the same Denham Town High, the same Tivoli School or the same Charlie Smith, right? They'll probably seen each other, raised next to each other. And that is why, because they're so close, them could have bicycle go up at the people them ends and go spray it up. And then bicycle come back at them yard and still uncomfortable. That is where it is right now. Me don't know. And as I said, Tivoli Garden is one of the places that are supposed to be locked down. That is what we keep hearing. They have a post around there. Right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm sure them they declare a SOE around there. I don't know if it's still in place. Right? But at the end of the day, none of that mean nothing, people. None of that mean nothing. All of those steps that are in place, if 87s really want to operate, they'll find a way around it. I just find it incredible. For me, the most shocking part of this story, just like in the other story I did with the 5-year-old boy who said them shot my mother. Remember that story, people? 5-year-old. Now we have a 1-year-old Lie down in the hospital. I say, him shot me. 1 year old. That's where we are. Welcome to Jamrock, Irie man. Right? I don't know. I mean, I try to find words for some of these stories, but so it beat me sometime. And I know people say, oh, sir, you like when you're gifted with words, but sometimes even words fail me. Some stories cause words to fail me because I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to process it. It don't make sense. This doesn't seem like reality. I don't know. If anybody come from the community who are listening to me right now, we can fill me in on this situation or going over there, let me know, because me know say there was a conflict between some of the Coke, some people who didn't want to get out of the Coke family, right? That are those people in, and then even within the Coke family, there were different factions because some people would take side with Liberty and some people take side with Dodo's son and all kind of foolishness. People, end of the day, in the matter, because the end result is that we have one year old lie down in the hospital with road in her spine and foot can't move. That is the end result. And for what? Foolishness. None of this even makes sense. Boy. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.